Hi, my name is Allison Mack, and my Fall-Winter 2019 collection is Wanderlust Soul. The theme of my collection is inspired by 1940s, 50s, and 60s. I want to create a collection for the woman on the go who does a lot of traveling, so the pieces are very functional and comfortable with a lot of pockets. A huge part of my inspiration comes from my grandparents, who gave me a vintage suitcase to play with full of clothes that my grandma wore, and since then I've had a big appreciation and love for vintage clothing. My highlight of the year would be gaining the opportunity to learn new things every day and watching myself improve, and then putting the new details that I've learned into my garments and just seeing how much I've improved from the beginning to the end. When I first started this program, my sewing skills weren't that strong, so I had to teach myself to not get discouraged and keep trying. The best advice I've ever received is anything worth having is a whole lot of hard work. My motto is to work hard and stay humble.